What's up, Average Dad fans? So apparently there's an M1 party and I've not been invited. Until now. Let's get this unboxed. So here it is. The M1 MacBook Air, 256GB of storage. Let's just turn this bad boy over. 256GB of storage, 8GB of RAM with that M1 chip. Now, this is actually a family member that's purchased this, not myself, because I have an iMac. So I have no need for the laptops that Mac provide just now, particularly being stuck in the house. But let's get it open anyway. It being Apple, there's a nice pull tab, no need for a jazzy unboxing knife. As always, beautiful white box, nice presentation. Okay, let's see. I have never owned a MacBook Air, so I'm excited to see what this looks like.
One eternity later.
Let alone performs like. Oh wow, this is...
One eternity later.
There we go. Awesome. Okay. I like it. Nice pull tab. So obviously, in the box, you get your MacBook here, and looks like father has gone for the silver variant. You get your USB-C to C, I'm assuming, charging cable. Yep, that's USB-C to C charging cable. Manuals and troll stickers. And there we go, a 30-watt charging brick, which nowadays, even though it's a laptop still, with Apple you never know if you're going to get a charging brick in the box. That's it. That's the unboxing of the M1 MacBook Air. So it would be a shame for me not to share the experience of taking off the plastic from the MacBook Air. So let's do it together. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Is that the space grey version? Hold on. MacBook Air. No, it's a silver variant. It's really nice. No, it is space grey. That is definitely space grey. That is nice. Here it is in all its glory. Super thin. So it's tapered, the MacBook Air, unlike the MacBook Pro. So for type experience, most people will say it's better. Again, I've not experienced it, but you've got a thinner edge working its way up to the thicker. Let's pull open the screen together. It's kind of a random unboxing experience, but there's something to note. The 2020 M1 Macs get that Apple opening sound back, which we were missing from the past few generations. And you can see there, straight away, it's Apple, boots right up, ready for your Apple ID and all that good stuff. So it's a 13.3.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
And it's voice assisted, which is great for accessibility, those with visual impairment. 13.3 True Tone display, 13.3 inch True Tone display. Back to the scissor switch keyboard, which again, past couple of generations, I've been the butterfly keys and there was a whole load of complaints about that. So this is back to the scissor switch. I really like the space grey model, well done Dad. And the trackpad, which is, actually I can show you, I have the Magic Trackpad 2 with the iMac I have. Let's see comparison size wise. On the keyboard, obviously a little smaller, but works exact same functionality wise as the Magic Trackpad 2. So I'm going to go ahead and get this laptop all set up, pop in my details and drop a little bit of a review. Stay tuned for more.